Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you all to OpenVox Online Product Introduction Conference. And thank you so much for attending our conference today, which is a great support to us. I'm Slend from Marketing Department. I and my colleagues from Technical Department are very honored here to introduce our company's products to you. This is the first time we hold this kind of conference. Please feel free to give us some suggestions after the conference. Today we will introduce our UC series IP Pbx, UC300 and UC500 to you. The whole conference includes 3 parts. Part 1 is video watching. Part 2 is the introduction to our hardware and software of UC series products. It won't be very long. I will finish it within half an hour. Part 3 is Q&A session. There will be enough time for this session, about half an hour. Okay, let's go. Part 1, please enjoy the short video of UC300 and UC500.
The OpenVox new generation IPPBX UC300, UC500. These two tiny and nice appliances are OpenVox new generation IPPBX, the UC300, UC500 series appliances. It's a piece of art by first look, but it's more than that. The UC300, UC500 comes with an aluminum enclosure and fanless design. It supports up to 8 analog ports with failover function, 2 Ethernet ports, 1 USB port, and 1 SD port. The UC series comes with the OpenVox full-feature IPPBX system, which is fully backed and maintained by the OpenVox team. Users can easily configure and manage the system through a web panel, and there are some spotlights of the OpenVox IPPBX system as follows. First, support multiple VPN protocols, including OpenVPN, L2TP, SoftEther VPN. Second, secure SIP calling with SRTP and TLS encryption. Third, support the most updated HD voice codecs such as Opus, AMR-NB, WB, G.722, and Silk. Fourth, brand new UI with changeable skin, easy configuration and management. Last but not least, WebRTC is also supported. You can just simply open the web browser and make phone calls while no need to install any endpoints or applications. There is a unique design for the UC series appliances that adds more stability to the system. And this makes the UC series to become the industry-first IPPBX with built-in uninterruptible power supply, UPS. It will be a risk-free solution that keeps your system and data away from damage or lost caused by unexpected power failure. With the powerful Intel CPU inside, the UC series appliances support up to 300 concurrent calls and maximum 800 extensions in one single device. The UC series appliances are second to none comparing to counterparts from other brands. The UC series provides you full PBX functions like automated attendant, IVR, call recording, speed dial, conference, video calls, find me, follow me, auto provision IP phones, and more. Small box with big ambitions. The UC300, UC500 series is an ideal solution for the SMBs and small enterprises. Please enjoy experiencing the OpenVox UC series appliances.
Okay, after watching the video, now let's get into part 2. It's about the hardware and software of UC series products. Now I will introduce the hardware configuration first. Firstly, made from all-metal enclosed case and fanless design, UC series have the advantage of dust prevention, quiet, and excellent heat dissipation. so that the machine can be operated in harsh conditions. For example, due to fanless design, it works very quietly in your office without any noises. Thanks to the enclosed structure, it also works excellently in dust and insect-filled environment. Even if you put the machine in extremely hot place, it will also surprise you. Secondly, UC series IPPBX can support up to 8 analog ports with failover function. No missing core even when power supply fails. UC300 supports failover function for 1 line, while UC500 supports 4 lines. Thirdly, UC300 and UC500 become the industry-first IPPBX with built-in uninterruptible power supply, which is known as UPS. It will be a risk-free solution that keeps your system and data away from damage or lost caused by unexpected power failure. Okay, now let's see how the UPS works. When it comes to power supply failure, the UPS device on the UC300 and UC500 will come into work immediately. The UPS guarantees that the data can be written into storage device as under normal circumstances, and then the UC series turns off. All this can be done within 15 seconds. There is a short video to show you how the UPS behaves. When it works, all the lights on. When the power supply fails, all the lights go off, and the machine beeps 2 times. Several seconds later, it beeps 4 times for warning, which means the machine turns off successfully. This is the whole working process of UPS. And now, firstly, with the powerful Intel 4-core CPU inside, the IPPBX support up to 300 current cores and maximum 800 extensions. Now we will show you this exactly. Based on the report, you can see the UC series can support 100 current cores with codecs G729. They can also support 300 current cores with codecs ULO. Next, we will connect to a remote machine on which you can see 300 current cores are running, just as it showed in the list. And we will also show as you can see, 300 current cores are running. And next, we will also show you the performance of CPU. As you can see, now it's 16% of the CPU is idle. Okay, let's show it more clearly. As you can see, 16% of the CPU is idle. And now, the next step is about the software configuration of UC series products. And in this part, we will introduce 5 points of our software. Firstly, the UC300 and the UC500 bring with a totally new UI, as you can see, which is more simplified but with rich features. The functions include extensions, trunks, as you can see, inbound routes and outbound routes, and IVR, which means interactive voice response, and call recording. And all these are basic functions. By the way, more functions can be explored by yourselves. Secondly, UC series products support multiple HD voice and video codecs, which can enable excellent call experience. The HD voice and video codecs include OPUS, AMR, NB, WB, G.722, and VP8. Just as we showed you. Thirdly, the machines support multiple VPN protocols, such as OpenVPN, L2TP, and Soft-Adder VPN, enabling secured communication network. If you want all equipment work in the same LAN, without the need to operate port mapping, VPN will be a very good choice. Firstly, the UC series support WebRTC. You can make a calling directly through the internet without any SIP phones or clients, which means wherever you are with the IPPBX, you are able to make a calling on the browser at any time. What you need to do is open the browser and type in your telephone number. Then you can enjoy the wonderful and convenient call experience. Now we will dial a phone number 1234. You can hear the demo audio.
Congratulations! You have successfully installed and executed the Asterisk open source PBX. You have also installed a set of sample sounds and configuration files that should help you to get started. Like a normal PBX, you will navigate this demonstration by...
As you can see, it has been connected successfully. Okay, next we will also dial to another registered extension, 102. And you can see the extension also can be connected successfully. Okay, fifthly, the machines support HD web video conference. All you need to do is to fill in a wrong name and start a conference, as we showed in this interface. You can copy the web link and share it to others. Click the link, then anybody can join to the video conference. The UC300 and UC500 are built within Intel x86 architecture so that you can install operating systems and software freely. Most Linux operating systems are supported. For more information, please look at the list. If you have your own system or software, but you haven't found a suitable hardware for running, why not try our UC300 and UC500? If your software are in the list above, it can be matched with our UC series PBX perfectly. If your software are not in the list, why not contacting us for a customized system? Okay, this is the end of part 2. Now let's get into part 3. It's the Q&A session. My colleague Tim, engineer from technical department, will answer your questions. And please feel free to ask any questions.
Hello. Is there any questions? You can raise your hand. Okay. The OS is our UC PBX system 2.2 version. The old version is 1.6. Some of your UC device may have the old version. You can update to the latest version. And about the video conference, it's a conference. Maybe I can show you the link. We can have a try. Okay, I will share you the video conference link. Okay. Hello, you can join the conference here by click the link. Anyone join? Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, another one is coming. Sorry, there's something wrong with the microphone. Okay, you can stop now. No, the video conference is clouded on the cloud, not locally. But it's possible to host it on in the UC device. Okay, about the video conference, you can send email to our sales or our support email. We can share more details. Okay. Okay, about the HD codec OPUS is the standard codec from the S3 source. About more details about the OPUS codec, we will share more details via email. Okay. If you want to know more details, you can leave your email box. About the phone's auto provision, it's ready in our next version, but it only works for OpenVox SIP phone, IP phone. About the IP phone from other brands, I'm not sure yet, but we can have more tests. Any other questions?